Hi, welcome to Team Organizing Envy. I am so excited to help you get started in your business. I know everything can be a little overwhelming right now, so we're gonna keep this short and sweet. When you signed up, you got an ID number. This number is very important. This ID number is also your login number for your virtual office called 31today.ca. We call it TOT or TOT. Don't worry, you'll learn all of the acronyms. First things first, if you are on Facebook, I hope you've already been added to our team page. If not, let's get you there. There's so much support on our team page as well as TOT. Remember, that's 31today.ca. I highly recommend you go over all of the information in your welcome kit that comes in your big pink box, which should be coming in just a couple of days. Yay! Don't wait for that kit to arrive to get started. Let's start writing a list of who you know. You can even print a PDF file off of TOT. Just use that search bar and type in who do you know list. It might seem a little corny, but trust me, you gotta do it. Second, there's some quick social media guidelines we should go over. You are not allowed to sell on your personal Facebook page. So don't go announcing with your website and how much your products are, etc. when your kit comes in or ever. Instead, when that pretty pink box arrives on your doorstep, get some good lighting and go take a selfie in front of that box. Just like that. And then just post, "It's here!" or "I'm so excited!" and let the comments, questions, likes, and loves begin. Now, get this. We want to make sure you start off really strong in your business. We will help you hit the ground running with a quick start program, our new signature rewards program called Wishes Come True. This period begins during your enrollment month and continues over the next 4 months. During this time, when you submit $1,000 in PV, that stands for personal volume, i.e. sales, you will earn Wishes rewards. And there is no limit to what you can earn. It's a point system. So you earn points, which you can cash in for more rewards. Things like business supplies, more product that you already love, or Disney gift cards, or Visa gift cards. How awesome is that? Not only will you earn your commissions, but you'll get all of these bonuses like Disney gift cards or free product. So definitely read up on that. And if you have any questions, you're never bothering me. If you have a lot of questions, write them down. You can Facebook message me, you can email me, or you can text me. I've got kids, they're really loud. You might want to text me first. Welcome to Team Organizing Envy. We are so happy to help you get started. Bye.